Hey folks, so we're late again for Natalie's sofa. As you can see, I'm not on the sofa, I'm out for a walk on my lunch break. So, and you probably seen my video that came out yesterday, which has taken a lot of editing. I went on the celebration of Dave Myers, who was one of the hairy bikers who recently passed away, and there was a memorial ride. So I was away on holiday in the Lake District. And I'll bring up a couple of pictures while I'm talking here of that ride, and it was just between 40 and 60,000 bikers going on a ride from Ace Cafe in London to Barrow-in-Furness. Hang on while I just navigate over this bridge. So, and I spent probably until 2 o'clock this morning editing and getting that live, hence no normal video, but I'm doing a little video today, and something that I experienced while I change hands. Oh, it's how smooth that. See, little pocket three. I took quite a lot of camera gear with me, for photography mainly, and I took my little pocket three for doing vlogging. And I also took my Osmo Action, which is my little action camera. Now, I wanted to talk about waterproofing, because a lot of the camera kit we buy is said to be water resistant, waterproof. Now, my Osmo Action, I left mounted on the bike with a memory card in because I thought I might record, and I wanted it handy. And on the way down, the heavens opened, and it was like a monsoon, basically. I'm going to switch sides. That's better. It was like a monsoon. And we rode through hours of rain. I got soaked through. Soaked through for sure. And the Osmo Action, it's working, and it is certified to be waterproof, but it's not. The memory card got soaked. Unbelievably, it actually did record the footage. So the footage I got, if you watch the video that I've just done, it's a little bit... It was shot into the sun, but the camera had like a haze on it, because it was still damp inside, and it was sort of... the heat from the warm day afterwards, because it was a dry day afterwards, had effectively caused this like sort of condensation build-up. So you got, it was like a very crude mist filter. It didn't ruin the footage, but it caused me problems. Now the camera fortunately has dried out, and I was quite lucky. Now in hindsight, I think I might use the camera for short periods in the wet, but not prolonged. And to add to that, I have a tank bag on the bike, and in my tank bag was my X-T5. So if I stopped and wanted to get stuff out, like the camera out, take a picture, I could. Except that got wet too. I didn't put a waterproof cover on the tank bag. I forgot that I'd had my non-waterproof tank bag on. My other tank bag has got like a built-in dry bag, so the water got into the bag as well, and the X-T5 was damp. Thankfully, the X-T5, being a much more expensive device, was fine. It wasn't sort of soaked, it was just a bit wet at the top around the flash and the viewfinder, but the X-T5 is weather sealed, as was the lens on the camera, and it was fine. So it seems that some more expensive equipment, the weather sealing probably is better, but I think the warning here is to be mindful that you pack equipment in waterproof containers for every eventuality, whether you're on a motorbike or hiking or backpacking, because all containers that you put camera equipment in, if it's not waterproof, it can leak. And I found that out the hard way, because although I knew rain was forecast, I didn't expect the magnitude of rain that we got, and we got a lot. But, as I say, the cameras lived up to what they were. The Osmo actually did dry out and it's absolutely fine. So there you go, little tip to tell you what I've been up to and one of some of the problems I'd had. And I hope you like the couple of pictures that I brought up. I'm just going to bring that down a bit. There you go, that's a bit better. The joys of adjusting a camera. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the pictures and the little mini vlog, because I haven't had time to do a full episode, but I thought I'd take you out on a little woodland walk with me, and why not share in the comments below any mishaps you've had with your camera kit and how you prevented it next time. You know, what did you do? You waterproof something? Did you buy a different bag? What did you do? What problems have you had with your camera kit? So anyway, I get on because I've got to head back into the office. So I'll see you all later, folks. Bye.